Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word diversities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The city celebrates its cultural diversities through various festivals and events. Diversities refers to the presence of different elements or characteristics within a group, reflecting a range of unique and varied attributes or perspectives. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.